we've come to film another van, have a look around it. Kerry's the owner and she built it herself, so it's quite an interesting exercise. What did you start off with? Was it a complete empty space or?
Yeah, I started off with an empty van. It was I got it from a farmer, so it was full of manure and straw and everything. So I had to clean it out. It was basically an empty van. There was no windows, no nothing like that.
Right.
It took me a couple of days to strip it, and then probably just as long to clean it. There's still muck underneath here.
Yeah.
And underneath the chassis, it was full of rust. As you can, it's a very poor job at the moment. I'm going to do probably a roller paint job on it.
Right.
But I've got rid of some of the rust, got the window put in, got the fan put out, and then started to build.
Did you didn't do the window?
I didn't do the window.
Right.
No, it was one of the things that I was a bit wary of doing. I've never done anything like this before, so I just didn't really want to put into the fan.
No.
Yeah.
That was my
Yeah.
worry as well. So what have you done inside then?
So inside, stripped everything out. I created a kitchen, a bed, all the ceiling and the walls are PVC cladding.
Yeah.
Shall I go down that way?
Yeah.
Okay. So this bed, this mattress, I basically got it off of eBay for £30. It's an old bed settee from IKEA.
It's a nice long one.
Yeah, it's
huge,
really, really nice. I kind of based the actual van on this size. I saw this size and it pulls out into, it's like 2 meters by, I think it's 150 centimeters or 146, so it's a full size double mattress. I got rid of the frame and I created my own frame for it underneath. Right. So this all pulls out into a double bed.
Yeah.
There's, oops, sorry.
No, you're right.
And then this also lifts up. At some point I will put a gas strut on it, but it all lifts up for storage. It's all quite sturdy.
So you've got a huge amount of storage under there.
Huge amount of storage, yeah. At the moment this is a bit too big, so it needs trimming down, just so it fits this space here. These doors are just from B&Q, and this cupboard is a cupboard from B&Q, but I created all this myself. I just couldn't find anything to fit that I wanted, so I wanted 2 cupboards. One for the gas cupboard. Yeah. That's my gas cooker, which goes on there when I want to, or it can go outside. And there's my gas box. There's a little heater down there as well. And a bit of storage up there for pans and things. Hooks on so that they don't fly open. And this one's actually soft closing, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
But that's a little bit of a mirror there. It's just a stick-on mirror. I think it was like £3 for 4 of them off of eBay. Clothing storage, little baskets for toiletries and things like that. There's a little induction hob there as well that I use when I'm on electric hookup. So it's got electric hookup in at the moment. It hasn't got 12 volts in. I have not managed to get that in. I was rushing to get out here. But I've got a little hubby which powers lights. These lights aren't connected, but that one is. And I've got some sockets, and I just throw that out the back door, and it goes on top of the van.
You've got a little fridge in here as well.
Little fridge, yeah. Again, still a bit rough. It's doesn't quite open, but it's gone down to 5 degrees. It's supposed to, I think it's 10 degrees below ambient temperature. So if it's 20 degrees out there, it'll go down to 10. But it's not been very warm today. At some point there will be a towel on here, a table on here that'll come off, and then there's which is a bit of a, not at the minute because there's loads of things behind it. I need to build like something to stop it getting caught, so it goes flat. Yeah. So this is not plumbed in, so that's why the water's there.
Will that be plumbed in at some stage?
It will be plumbed in at some stage. It'll go for 12 volts. I've got a 20 or 25 litre, I'm not sure, fresh and waste, and there's access from the back so that I can get into the back to take them straight out.
Right,
That's cool. And then just more storage up there.
Brilliant. And utilising the space on the end
Yes,
for
yes.
utensils.
They might not go there. I've got a pegboard to put here, so that will also free up another shelf, because it will have like little shelves on it, and then it'll have hooks and things like that. Got a toilet down here, which is basically from IKEA. The box was from IKEA.
Yeah.
So lid comes off.
Yeah.
Then it opens outwards. Storage underneath for your toilet bits and bobs, and it's just a porta potty. It's quite sturdy. It's locked behind the seat, but that's just for when you're caught short on an evening. And it's stuck.
Nice.
Sort that later.
Yeah.
And then another thing that I did as well is, because it's an old van, the locks don't quite work properly. So you can lock them from the inside, but you can't lock them from the outside. So what I did was, there was a double seat here. At the minute I'm just using the front of storage, but there was a double seat here, and what I did was got rid of it. I got another driver's seat and I put it into the passenger seat side.
Right.
Again, off an eBay special, £40 for the seat, £40 for the base, and add a bit of welding to make sure that it was at the same way, so I can now get from the front to the back without going out of the car.
Right.
In the van. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And it's all based on
It's a Sprinter.
Mercedes Sprinter.
Mercedes Sprinter. 2004 one.
Yeah.
Which they stopped making these ones in 2005, I believe.
Right.
Their second model, and then in 2008, or they did what the Sprinter is now. Yeah.
Right. Thanks very much. Thank you. Excellent. Thank you very much.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.